When designing the Evija, it had to be beautiful, it had to be ingenious, it had to be memorable, but it also had to have a certain purity to it. I think every designer uses fighter planes, military aircraft as inspiration, and sometimes that connection is not obvious. But on Evija, it was really tangible. It's all about carving through the air with the minimum amount of drag. And with a military aircraft, you have this wonderful balance of beauty and menace wrapped up in the design of the product.
At Lotus, we focus on the driving dynamics for the drivers. At speed, aerodynamics accounts for more than 90% of the resistance to motion, so aerodynamic forces is hugely important. With this hypercar being a battery electric vehicle, it's allowed us a lot more flexibility in the aerodynamic design.
So the EV package on the Evija really gave us tremendous opportunity. Because we were able to position the various components in the powertrain slightly differently from a conventional powertrain, we were able to create these tunnels through the vehicle. We called it being carved by air, that allowed us to duct the air through the vehicle, minimising drag, but also creating this amazing sculpture that is very, very unique, and bringing together phenomenal use of technology with aesthetics, form and function working together.
With a performance vehicle, downforce is king. It gives you that superior grip and handling characteristics and balance, which is so essential to a sports car, to get it around those corners in an engaging and safe way.
This car's got tremendous athletic stance. The car looks toned, all the surfaces wrapped over it, the cabin sitting low between the wheels, very prominent muscular arches that remind you of a big cat ready to pounce, and then these two massive exit vents from the three-quarter Venturi ducts. And these are then ringed by the rear lights, which when they're illuminated, they remind you a little bit like the afterburner on a fighter plane as it's ready to take off or accelerate.
Everything on this car has been optimised. Even the door mirrors have been replaced with retractable rear-view cameras. There's a whole suite of active aerodynamic components on this car, which allow it to change its shape and configuration to be exactly what it needs to be in that moment, in that corner, to give it the best performance and the best driving experience possible.
It's a very intriguing and captivating vehicle. Because we've got this porosity, it means as you walk around the vehicle, there's always something changing, always something new to see. The light is falling on it in a different way than you've seen it before.
Evija achieves that ultimate goal, high efficiency, staggering amounts of downforce when needed, but with low drag at the same time. And the cherry on the top, it looks stunning.